how to post a video on Bigo Live. Now this is a really simple process and it's very straightforward, so make sure that you follow through. Now make sure that you first install your Bigo Live on your mobile phone, and if you've installed it, open it up. And after you've opened it up, go to the video section that's right besides the live section. And after you've gone to the video section, click on the top left icon that has a pen in it. And after you do so, just select the video that you want to post. And after you've selected it, press on done. It will start cutting the video, and here you can just type whatever you want. Now just click on post, and then here the video will get posted. You can see it's taking some time, but after the loading gets done, the video will get posted. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.